Tired of strangers seeing your old Facebook posts? Let's lock it down. First, tap on the Facebook app icon to open Facebook on your mobile device. This will work on both iOS and Android devices. Next, look for the menu icon. It's typically 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner for Android and the bottom right corner for iOS. Tap on that. Scroll down the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand the options. In the expanded menu, you'll see Settings. Tap on Settings to access your Facebook settings page. Now, scroll down until you find the Privacy section. It will usually have a lock icon next to it. Tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Under the Privacy section, find the option that says Who can see your future posts, and tap on it. A window will pop up asking you to choose an audience for your future posts. Select Friends from the list of options. This will ensure that only your friends can see what you post from now on. Now, go back to the Privacy settings menu and find the option that says Limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends or public, and tap on it. A confirmation screen will appear. This is to confirm that you want to limit the audience of all your past public posts. Tap the Limit Past Posts button to continue. A final confirmation prompt may appear. Click Limit to confirm. And you're done. All of your past and future posts are now private. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Facebook tips.